BrandCore defined who the brand is. Now, BrandVoice defines how it speaks. Tone, vocabulary, messaging frameworks, and ready-to-use content, all generated from the brand foundation we've already built. Step 1. Voice Foundation. First, the brand name. There are 3 routes here. Keep the existing name, generate new names with AI, which also checks common domain availability, or type your own. We're keeping Lumiere Botanica. For the tagline, we'll let the AI generate one. Where ocean meets alchemy, skin transforms. That captures the brand. We'll keep it. Voice Dimensions. 5 sliders that define how the brand communicates: formality, humor, boldness, enthusiasm, and innovation. The AI has calibrated all of them based on our BrandDNA and BrandCore. And on the right, a live preview of how this voice actually sounds. Business pitch, social media, customer service. Each one reflects the slider settings in real time. Contextual tones. The AI generates tone guidelines for 6 different scenarios: customer service, marketing, internal communications, crisis, social media, and sales. Each one adapts the core voice to the context. The voice persona section goes deeper. A full character description, key characteristics, voice metaphors, communication do's and don'ts, and a style guide. This is essentially a briefing document for any writer or agency working on the brand. And here's something unique: an AI-generated audio sample of the BrandVoice introduction. Let's generate it and listen.
Hello, we're Lumiere Botanica. We harness the wild alchemy of the Atlantic coast to create skincare that doesn't just transform your skin, it actively regenerates the earth with every bottle. Our formulas tap into nature's ancient intelligence, turning sustainable botanicals into powerful rituals that honor both you and the planet. Ready to discover beauty that gives back?
That's the brand, speaking.